The nature of thesis statement. If you have begun the thesis statement well, you'll be done with 2/3 of the essay. This is some further resources as a reminder for the high-level students, but you don't have to do so if you are the beginners. Okay, for your entertainment, let's have some fun. We make it into a scenario how to write a thesis statement. The nouns for the subject should not be just anything of names for people or object matters. To choose the words for the subject of thesis statement, we have more examples and tips here. The formula here is the objects of the thesis statement. Next diagram shows different names. The thesis statement objects are also called controlling ideas. Good supporting functions. Now we have summary for topic sentence. You will write great topic sentences for body paragraphs. Why should we restate the ideas? In other words, because it says to restate, not repeat the exact words of your ideas. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy it. Goodbye.